Hey, everyone! Want to know 3 simple financial moves that can set you up for serious success in 2026? Stick around, because I'll break them down in under 2 minutes and 30 seconds. First up, automate your savings. Most people wait until the end of the month, and then, surprise, there's nothing left. Set up an automatic transfer, even just 10% of your paycheck, to a separate account. Out of sight, out of mind, and your future self will thank you. Imagine if you saved $100 a month automatically. In just a year, that's $1,200, and in 5 years, it's $6,000 without even thinking about it. Move number 2. Track your spending. You can't control what you don't measure. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook to see exactly where your money goes. Once you know, you can cut the unnecessary expenses. Those tiny daily coffees, subscriptions, or impulse buys really add up. For example, if you spend $5 a day on coffee, that's over $1,800 a year. Tracking helps you find these leaks and redirect that money toward your goals. And finally, invest early, even small amounts. Thanks to compounding, even $50 a month can grow to thousands over time. Don't wait to have enough money. Start now. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, or digital assets, the key is consistency. Small contributions now mean big results in the future. Here's a bonus tip. Don't just save, think long-term. Financial discipline today means freedom tomorrow. It's not about being rich overnight. It's about building habits that last. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick money strategies every week.